welcome to my YouTube channel. On this occasion, I will give you an interesting English lesson. I will guarantee that this lesson is very interesting for you. Why? Because now I am telling you about a presentation. This is a presentation about teacher, about creating teacher challenge. How creating teacher challenge in the digital age. So maybe the question is, are you ready? Okay, this is interesting video, I think. So don't go anywhere, stay with me up to the end of this video. Okay, before starting, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay, let's find that now.
Yay! Hi, my friends here. Are you
Hello.
fine? Eh? Are you fine
Hello.
today? Are you fine today?
Yes, I'm wonderful, man.
Oh, good. I hope all of in this good condition because this pandemic is very strong and influence. Well, this is my material. This is new maybe for especially for me and maybe for you. Okay, this is about teacher. Yes, teacher. So the call now, we and you. This is guru penggerak. Maybe before continuing to my explanation about teaching and teacher, maybe I ask you, Mrs. Wahyu or Mrs. Tia. Okay, raise your hand. What is guru penggerak? Menurut pendapat Anda, guru penggerak itu apa sebenarnya?
Let me try to
Mr. Wahyu,
yeah. Let me try to give my opinion, man.
Okay, good.
Guru penggerak or training teacher is someone who can get injured others, man. Make others get motivation for us, gitu.
For us?
Yeah, bisa.
Oh yes, for us. Yes, for us. Maksudnya guru penggerak itu memang sebenarnya nggak untuk siswa saja, tapi untuk teman-teman sekitar kita sebenarnya juga.
Yeah.
Guru penggerak. Jadi ekosistem pendidikan di sekolah kita itu harus ada guru penggerak. Ya. Jadi motivation for us, untuk kita sendiri dan untuk siswa ya Pak Wahyu. Okay.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay. Any idea? Maybe any answer? Maybe Mrs. Diam.
Okay, I think the triggering teacher is pemimpin pembelajaran.
Yes, good.
Yes,
Iya.
I think
Betul. Semuanya Pak Wahyu ataupun Budian this is correct answer. Jadi triggering is stimulus. Jadi pemicu. Sebenarnya guru sebagai pemicu di ekosistem pendidikan sekitar kita, baik itu sesama teman-teman kita sendiri, guru-guru kita sendiri. Jadi kita sebagai penggerak itu artinya pemicu, ya, baik itu sebagai teman sejawat maupun yang kita fokuskan pada murid itu sendiri. Nah, jadi sebenarnya guru penggerak tadi adalah tidak hanya untuk siswa, tapi sebenarnya bisa untuk teman-teman sejawat kita sendiri. Jadi bagus pertanyaannya, guru penggerak adalah penting untuk lingkungan sekitarnya. This is your correct answer. Okay, now let me I continue. This is my explanation about triggering teacher. Okay?
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
good. Thank you. Now, let's study together. What is triggering teacher? Triggering teacher sometimes is big stop. I take this title. The title is Triggering Teacher Challenge in the Digital Age. Are you ready? Are you ready, Mr. Wahyu and Mrs. Dian? Are you ready? If we become
Yes, ma'am. We are ready, ma'am.
teacher, this is our
Yes, ma'am.
playing. Yes, of course. Ready or not ready, we have to. Ready, I think.
Ready.
Yes. Okay, next. Okay, next. So here they are. Maybe the same of your answer about my question before. That what is triggering teachers? Triggering teachers are learning leaders who apply independent learning and mobilize the entire educational ecosystem to realize student-centered education. Got it? So this is focused on student center. Okay. And now this is almost your answer, I think. Okay. Next. So now the question is, what is the role of the triggering teacher? The role of it is to develop themselves actively and encourage students to grow holistically by following all aspects of the Pancasila profile. Okay, got it?
Yes.
Pancasila profile like Andiri, and then what is student? What is profile Pancasila? Besides Mandiri,
Bertakwa kepada Tuhan Yang Maha Esa, ma'am.
and then
Kritis, benar kritis,
Gotong
and etc.
royong.
Gotong royong,
This is
berkebinekaan.
yes, good. This is Pancasila profile. This is our new curriculum. Belajar Merdeka. Okay, next, Mr. Wahyu. Okay,
Yes.
good. So, therefore, now all of teachers are required to be triggering teachers. Teacher must make changes in the learning process and not be focused on conventional things, but must be in accordance with the demands of the times and turn into non-conventional teachers. So maybe maybe our teacher using conventionals, but now we have to use non-conventional, right? Jadi dulu kuno, sekarang itu modern. Okay, next. So this is triggering teachers must be able to prioritize student growth holistically, and they be able to motivate the students and they take initiative to make changes to tidak. Jadi akhirnya guru itu fokusnya adalah pada tumbuh kembang murid itu sendiri secara holistik. Juga guru juga harus bisa memotivasi anak untuk bisa mandiri dalam pembelajarannya. Okay, got it?
Get it, man.
Okay,
Yes.
thank you. Okay, next. Nah, this is the key of the teacher. Now, here are the steps to become a trigger teacher. Jadi, sebenarnya kita sebagai bergerak harus bagaimana seperti itu. Next, first, we have to master technology. This is the first technology master. Teachers must understand that technology is developing very rapidly or very fast. With always accompanies any changes that occur. On this reason, teacher must be able to update with new emerging sciences that are in accordance with the times. Jadi, pertama, benar-benar teknologi itu yang diutamakan. Sekarang benar-benar teknologi itu harus dikuasai primadona untuk guru-guru itu. Mau tidak mau, kita harus tantang dengan namanya teknologi. Apa sih teknologi yang bagaimana di zaman sekarang itu, mau tidak mau, bisa tidak bisa, kita harus bisa dalam urusan teknologi. Okay, got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good. May I continue my explanation?
Sure.
Thank you. Now, second new learning method. Learns to understand the educational needs of student, the character of student, not lecturing student, but asking questions so that interesting discussion arise in learning process. Kalau zaman dahulu, guru itu suka menceramai, memarahi, bahkan mungkin mengkritisi anak, terus anak itu takut. Sekarang kita tidak boleh seperti itu. Kita bagaimana mengajak anak itu untuk bisa, ayolah kita berdiskusi masalah ini. Kita mendorong mereka, memotivate them to express about what they want to say. Jadi apa yang mereka inginkan kita harus tahu. Jadi bagaimana akhirnya kita memahami mereka. Just we have new learning methods. Okay, may I continue?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, now this is the last. I think this is the third. Ability to innovate without waiting for a comment. The teacher can create learning that is able to make students think critically. Should not be focused on the learning resource that have been provided, but must be able to develop them. Jadi tadi guru harus berinovasi agar bisa share perkembangan zaman, perkembangan apapun tentang pengetahuan, karena kita sudah meningkatkan inovasi ke anak-anak agar mereka bisa berpikiran lebih kritis. Dan ada sumber belajar pun kita tidak harus memakan mentah-mentah sumber belajar yang ada itu. Kita harus mengembangkannya sendiri dengan literasi digital mungkin atau yang lain yang jelas harus ada pendukung. Tidak hanya satu sumber atau materi yang diberikan kurikulum itu saja, tapi kita harus meng-create, membuat itu lebih menarik. Okay, got it?
Sure, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay, good. Good. Okay. Now this is the last. Okay, my discussion. Okay, this conclusion. Your season